I have a parent div and three child divs, 1, 2, and 3. The styling is pretty basic as you can see over here. Here I've just given display equal to flex, justify content space evenly, and align item center to the parent. So what this will do is, this is my parent and these are the children. So it will, consider the parent to be a flex. Then it will justify the contents of this parent. That means these items to be spaced evenly, so that this space is equal to this space is equal to this space is equal to this space. Okay, and then align all these items centrally at the center. Okay, so vertically they should be center aligned. So this is what this is doing. Now what I want is, let us say the order should be 3 should come over here, then 1 should go over here, and 2 should go over here. So look at how I can do this just using flexbox. Okay, so by default when you write something like uh, this, then by default it has style order equal to 0, order equal to 0, and order equal to 0. So whenever the parent is of type display equal to flex, then all its children are actually flex items, and every flex item has some order in the style. Even if you don't give it, under the hood it is 0. So even if I add that code, it does not cause any effect. So the page is still working the same way. Now if I make the order of this guy as 1, order of this guy equal to 2, and order of this guy equal to 3, then look at how it changes the page. See, 3 has come over here, 1 has gone over here, and 2 has gone over here, because I have changed the order over here. Okay, so ascendingly they will get aligned with respect to the flex direction. Okay, now here by default the flex direction is row. So just to verify our point, flex direction equal to row, I'm writing here once again. So this row should not affect anything because anyways the default value of flex direction is row. So I'm reloading the page. See, the page is still the same. Now if I make it column, then these items will be aligned across the column. See, they are aligned across the column, and again across the column also the order still remains the same. That means 3 comes at order number 1, then 1 comes, and then 2 comes. Okay, so this is how it is. Even if I make the flex direction as column reverse, then also see 3, 1, 2. So whatever is your flex direction, in that flex direction the order will be governed by whatever orders you give over here. Now let us give some irrelevant values, like let us say that this 3 should become -3. So in that case, and let me make the order as per the row so that it is easier to understand. Okay, so flex direction is row and order of the second guy is -3. So in that case what will happen? So if you notice, -3 is always the least. Okay, as compared to all other positive numbers, the negative number is always the least. So that is why this one has come towards the first, and then 1 and 2 has come. Now let us say that there is another child, let us say 4, having the order as 0. So in that case it will be 2, then 4, then 3, and 1. 2, 4, 3, 1. Okay, so this is how it works. Even if you go 2 negative, then also it will be like 2, 3, 0, 4, 1. So it is 2, 3, 4, 1. So this is how you can play with style order equal to something.